Hi guys! Welcome to our cooking show! This is Jamie and
William.
we're gonna make a burger today for his snack. This is not gonna be a regular burger kasi we're gonna make it healthy, diba? So here are our ingredients. We're gonna start with 2 cups of ground beef,
Ground beef.
broccoli,
And broccoli.
and then carrot. You like carrot?
This is so nice.
We need salt, pepper, cheese, and our bread. You like the bread?
And the bread.
First, we are going to peel the carrots. You like it?
I like it.
Chop the carrots.
Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa! I'm gonna make it smaller. See that? We're gonna dice it really small.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Your carrots will. Now we're gonna chop the broccoli. You don't like the broccoli anymore, right?
This
Taste
that.
it. Ew. Ew. It's healthy, but ew. Ayaw na niya ng broccoli. Samantalang before, you loved broccoli. We're going to slice the broccoli. Like this. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, look at that. We're taking off the greens.
Greens.
Look, Will, we have all our ingredients.
Beef and the broccoli and carrot.
Now we're going to put all the ingredients on our bowl. Okay, get the spoon. Beef. Wow!
So funny.
There. We're going to add our carrots. Are you ready?
Set, go.
Go. Whoa.
Whoa.
Now we're gonna put our broccoli.
Whoa.
Ooh, look at that. It's so colorful. We're gonna add some salt. Your turn. Wow. More. Wow.
This is
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Next is the pepper.
pepper.
Achoo.
Achoo.
Your turn. Pepper. Okay, good job. We're gonna mix it. We're going to make the burger patties using this. First, we're going to use this cling wrap like this. Cut.
Whoa.
Oh. Whoa! Bless you! Not on our food! Ew! Bacteria! So, we are going to get this big and put it on your hand. Ew! Then you're gonna make a circle.
Circle.
Put it here and mash it. Mash! Mash! Mash!
Big.
Make a circle.
Make a circle and
Put it here
and
and mash.
mash.
Wow! Wow!
And
Next, we're gonna put it like this. Make a circle. Make a round beef. Put it here. Are you ready? Mash it! Mash!
it is head.
Mash!
Oh, that.
Make a little meatball. Meatball.
Meatball.
Meatball.
Meatball.
Mash!
Mash. Mash.
Ta-da! Oopsie. How many did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to cook it in our...
Air fryer. In the pan.
Here, say 1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3, 4.
4.
We're going to set our temperature to 340. We're going to set our timer to 15 minutes and flip it in 10 minutes. And start.
Start.
While we're waiting for our burger to cook, we're going to prepare our bread. 1,
2, 3, 4.
4. Very good. 1,
1,
2, 3,
3,
and
4.
4. Okay, Will, the burger is ready.
You see.
Wow, look, it became really small. Now we're gonna open the breads. Put our burger. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
4.
And then, William, we're gonna add some cheese. This cheese. Cheese. Okay, your turn. Wow. Close it like this. Close.
Close.
Very good. Very good.
Yummy, yummy.
Yay! You wanna try? Wow!
Wow.
Smells good. Smell it. Yummy! Yummy and healthy.
Yummy and healthy.
So good. The saltiness is just perfect. It's so tender and juicy. Wow. High five. This is our healthy burger. This is good for kids' snacks on play dates or on the weekend or during the day or in school. Baon. Thank you for watching. This is Jamie and
William.
bye.
Bye. Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.